Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump in here real quick. I'm going to tell you what I got and what we're going to be making. I got some hot dogs right here. These are beef ballpark hot dogs right here. And there's 16 count. I may not be making 16 of them. Okay, this is some mozzarella cheese right here. It's a block. All right, we have here some panto. We got some starch, cornstarch. We got some bacon powder, some sugar, some honey, some salt, some milk that's got to be room temperature, some peanut oil, and guess what? So you can figure it out. What I'm making. Here's some sticks, some skewer sticks right here that's been soaking in the water. I'm gonna go ahead and take those out the water. Set them right there. Get rid of this bowl. So if you haven't guessed by now, you should have been a guess by now what I'm making. So I'm making corn dog with cheese in it. It's like a Korean, okay, that's what I'm making, but I'm gonna do a little twist to mine. So what we have here is some flour that I put in here. I put a cup and a half of flour in here. I put a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, I put a tablespoon of cornstarch. I didn't use none of that. I put a half cup of sugar in here, and I put a teaspoon of salt in this. And I'm gonna just go ahead and mix this up, incorporate it together. And also I put a cup of cornmeal. Okay, that's what I put in there. We're gonna mix this bad boy up. So I'm gonna do a little twist with this myself. All right. So we're gonna pour our milk in. Well, we're gonna crack an egg first. I do have one egg that I'm gonna put in there. I forgot to mention that. It's hiding over here. And I have some oil back here as well. I'm gonna put it in there. So I'm gonna pour my milk in there. Break that egg up a little bit. Put in some milk. This is like a cup and a half of milk. I want it kind of thick. Not super thick, but I want it kind of thick. This is a cup and a half. I'm just trying to eyeball it. Yeah, I want it kind of thick. Go ahead and stir this up. That phone again, I swear for a living, that phone is always ringing or doing something. When I'm making a video, I swear. I'm just going to start letting it be on there. I'm tired of hearing it. So maybe we're going to have to go with 2 cups. Because super thick. I don't want it that thick. See? That's super thick. So that was a cup and a half. Put a little bit more in there. Let's see. That's probably about half a cup right there. So we're going to stir that up. Yeah, that's the consistency I want. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. See that? That's thick. I have some oil. It's like a tablespoon and a half. So I'm putting the tablespoon in it first and see what it do. Alright. So that's all I'm gonna go with, yep. I'm gonna go ahead and finish mixing this up and set up everything, and I'll be back. Okay guys, now I told you I'm gonna do something different. I got some pure vanilla oil extract. I'm just put a drop of that in here. So if you want to do an exact measurement on this little particular one, I'm gonna do a half a cap of this. So just a drop, pretty much. Just to add some bold flavor to it. Okay. Now taste of the batter. The batter got a little sweetness to it. I was gonna throw some honey in it. I changed my mind. Okay. So we're gonna mix this back up with that vanilla in it. Alright. And you see this right here? We're gonna pour our mixture in there. Don't fill it all the way up now. So about right up in there. Okay? Alright. We got some for later. So let me see. Yep. That's perfect. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot dogs and stuff set up, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. While you guys was gone, I did a couple of them. This is how some of them look. Okay. This was the first one I did. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. Take this hot dog, cut the tip off, cut this piece off. Try to cut them in like even pieces if you can. Take a skewer, put it in there. Like this, I just put it in the middle like this. Then slide it on there, push it down. Take a middle piece. Okay, take another piece of cheese. Push it down on there. Take the top piece, put it on there. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how to do 3. These are the middle pieces. Put that to the side. So you want to take smaller pieces then, like this. And we come over here with this part. And you take your skewer. The cheese. Another middle piece. Another piece of cheese. Push it down a little bit more. Take this little piece of cheese. Put the top on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and there's 3 of them. See? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead do the rest of these, and I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for the they can get real super cold, okay? But we don't want that cheese to melt as soon as we put it in there, all right? So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Hot dog's been in the freezer for about an hour. We're gonna go ahead and try one out. So here's my batter. Dip that in there, like so. Bring it up nice and slow. Make sure you get some of that excess off. Okay. and we're just going to take it to the panko. Rub it in the panko. Then we're going to drop it. So we can do another one. Rotate that around. Another panko one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up these, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. There you go. I got 5 with Planto and 5 that's regular. It's a regular hot dog, corn dog. And we'll find one with the cheese in it. That must be one with the cheese in it. Yeah, that's the one with the cheese in it. Alright, it's been cooling off for a while. You warm them up in the oven, and it'll be real cheesy. It tastes pretty good. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, and a subscribe to this channel. Veil Dog signing out.